Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Crypto Trav coming to you. I know it's a late night, but I woke up and I just seen the market, and the market is up. It's a green market right now, and you guys gotta love this. If you just scroll down, you see a lot of green over here, which means that a lot has risen from last night. A few are still down, but for a majority of them, it's back to action. You guys know how cryptocurrency works. It starts off first, going down every now and then when something happens, then it trickles back up. So like I said in my last video, you wait for moments like that, you capitalize on it, you buy in, then you hold. That's what I'm doing. I bought more, I held my stuff, and it's going back up. So as you guys can see, look at Ripple. Ripple's up 21%. Not too long ago, it was down for the last 24 hours. And all of these were pretty much down. But I want to show you guys also a trick on when to buy into these cryptocurrencies. So I'm actually going to go to Ripple and show you guys a little technique that I learned. Okay, I'm not gonna do it on because they don't have the candle charts on this. I'm gonna go to Bitrix. I'm gonna show you guys my Bitrix. So I'm gonna actually give you guys an example using Ripple of the moving average and how you can use that to your benefits. So this right here is the candles for Ripple, the average over time. And I have the candles separated in 30-minute candles as opposed to you have the option to go 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month. But I want to see how it's doing over a 30-minute period if you're actually doing like a quick trade and you're buying in at the moment. So the tool that I want you guys to see, like this right here is a big jump. This right here is a big jump. This is a big jump. This is a good time to actually start to sell. When it gets to the top, that's when you actually sell. When it starts to die down, that's when you buy in, because you want to buy when it's slow and you want to sell when it's high. That's the whole point of making money here. And I'm going to show you guys a couple tools that I use in order to pick the perfect time, in my opinion, to buy. There's a tool called the moving average, and you can pick a period in between that you want this to symbolize. So I want to symbolize 13 candles. I want you guys to do this as well. 13 candles and exponential. Other platforms have this. I know Binance has it, and you guys can check that out. But I'm using Bitrix, and I just use this to my advantage. You choose the color of the line. This is going to be a 13 and 34 period moving averages. So this first line that you're going to see represents 13. The average has been over 13 candles. So as you guys can see, it does its dips. It goes along with how the candles are actually operating. It goes up when the candles goes up, and this is a shorter term, so it represents how it's been doing over a shorter period of time. Then you're going to create another moving average with the same credentials, except you're going to make this a 34, an even longer period, so that you can compare it to something at a longer time to see if it's a good time to actually buy in. You're going to go to exponential. You're going to change the color because you don't want the lines to be the same. I use these two colors because I don't know, I'm just a fan of them. You don't got to be choosy on this, but yeah. So this right here represents a time where you would not buy at this time. When it crosses, this is the time where you wait. You wait it out, you wait it out, you wait it out, and watch it rise. When the red line crosses, so that's the perfect time to get in. When the red line crosses up, that's the time where you actually hold. The times to sell is when it goes below. You see how it's below the 34 average? That's when you actually would purchase. You don't purchase above it because it's above its peak right now. It's starting to go up. So you see at a point like this. I'm going to zoom in a bit so you guys can see a bit more. So you see how it crosses up. This was a quick little loop. It was a scare and it was a little trick, but it went back down. So at this point right here, when the red line crosses down, that's when you start to buy. So you buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there, and just watch it go. Because once you see this line, you know it's going to be on a downward spiral. And it tried to do like a little trick right here, but it still stayed below the line. This is when you buy. You're buying down here at a low price. This is how it's been. This is how the market has been this week. It's been pretty down. So this was the perfect time for you to really start buying into coins. And it's a new year. So you guys would just keep buying. It's going down. The price was going down. The price was going down. Then you see it starts to slowly but surely go back up. And then this is when you're realizing that the line might actually cross over again. And once it crosses over and it makes that X, that's when you start to buy. This, it was pretty close. So I know a lot of people would have thought it would have outbursted, but it went down a bit more. It went down a bit more. So at these points, you're gonna keep buying unless you run out of Bitcoin, but you usually keep buying and then you hold. If you don't have any more Bitcoin at a certain point, because you're gonna run out of Bitcoin before you get here if you're the average trader. So if you have a lot of money in there, of course you'll have more and you would plan it out strategically. So at this point right here is when it did its big break. It broke up, and this was not too long ago. It broke up above the line. And once you see this X right here, now it's time to hold. You're not buying. Once it's above this line, you are not buying because you're not gonna make your maximum profit. When it's below, that's when you buy and you make your maximum profit. When it goes up, this is when you start to sell, sell, sell. You start to sell unless you're doing a long-term hold. If you're doing a long-term hold, you don't even have to worry about this because you're going to be in this for months after months. So it's going to go down and go up. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you're a day trader and you see something like this is when you actually hold it. And then once it gets to a certain point, you start to sell out, sell out, sell out, sell out. And then once it does the little dip that it did before and it's under the whatever color line you have, that's when you start to purchase again. And you guys can see Ripple is going up. Everybody's going up. Everybody is going up. I had to make this video at night because I actually just seen it, and I'm excited about it. I know you guys are excited about it. It's a green market. Like, look at this the coin market cap. Coin market cap, everything is turning green. So you guys know it's about to be a very fruitful next few days, and a lot of these are gonna add money to the market cap of all the cryptocurrencies in total, because it's lost a lot in the last few hours and last few days. So it's time for it to return that favor. Ripple's at 204. Look at that. You guys see? Where's Doge? Doge has been playing funny lately, but it's going to go back up, I'm pretty sure. It's up 3.49 in the last 24 hours, and it's adding to the market cap as well. And you guys check these out. I have Verge. Verge is going up 6.12%. Bitcoin, Binance coin is up 53.33. I'm not into nothing like that. Tron is up. Stellar is up 31.35. It needs to keep going because they play a lot of games, and I'm not even kidding. But I never lose faith. I just watch them grow because I'm holding. So that's all I can really do is just really watch it go up and go down, and watch my money go up and go down. So I'm gonna invest more into it. But the last few days and at this moment is the perfect time to get in because it's not at its full potential or the max that it has been at over time. So you get in that now and you guys hold your coins and you would make more profit off of it, basically. So that's the main reason I was bringing you guys this video at this moment. You guys know I end with the same type of intro every day. Gang, gang, whatever. I'm not ratchet or anything, but you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more videos, put a little comment below and explain to me what you want to see. And if you're excited about this green market, let me know. It's a bulls market. We don't need bears anymore. We need bulls. So let me know, guys. Crypto Trav out.